Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the hands-on of the Pocophone Launcher on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Before you scream at me why I am doing a hands-on video on weekly topic segment, let's go to video intro first. Why am I doing a hands-on video on weekly topic is because everyone should really use the Pocophone Launcher, especially you are using Xiaomi smartphone. If you watched my video previously, you will know that I'm not a fan of operating system that lacking of app drawer. Thanks to Pocophone by Xiaomi, you can enjoy app drawer on MIUI. Let's get serious. To start with, you will have app drawer, which is a big add-on for me, especially on MIUI. After you get into the app drawer, you will see all your apps, which is obvious. Then you will find different categories for your apps at the top. I do not really like how apps are categorized, so I just turn off the categorization. After you turn off this categorization, you will see the POCO Launcher with your launcher setting on the right. Which makes me quite happy is group icons by color. With the MIUI default launcher, I will arrange all the apps following alphabet. I do so because my brain are used to alphabetical order of the app drawer. That's why I spend so much time organizing apps following alphabetical order. Sometimes I only remember the apps based on the icon color, so group icons by color really save my time searching for apps. You are able to turn on or turn off the apps suggestion at the top of the apps. You will also find the search bar on the bottom of the app drawer. After talking about the app drawer, let's talk about the other things that POCO Launcher brings along. Before MIUI 9.6.4, you will not be able to use the Android Oreo long press menu, but Xiaomi fixed it after MIUI 9.6.4. Good job, Xiaomi! If you put the Redmi Note 5 with POCO Launcher side by side with POCO F1, you'll find the experience is consistent across both smartphones. Here are some suggestions that I want Xiaomi to really consider. Since POCO Launcher came from the same MIUI team, I really wish that Xiaomi would bundle in POCO Launcher as an option from any global Xiaomi smartphone besides Pocophone. It will please Xiaomi users that want app drawer on their MIUI smartphone. Personally, I'm quite satisfied with POCO Launcher, especially when you came from the default launcher that does not come with app drawer. Will I recommend the POCO Launcher? I will, if you are coming from MIUI, because POCO Launcher is built based on MIUI stuff. So, that is all for this hands-on and also this weekly topic. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, we started a Patreon page and now you can directly support our work. We prepared 2 tiers for you guys to support. The first tier is $5 growing 3. By pledging $5 per month, you can help us buy better gears for better video quality and experience. The second tier is the $10 seed purchasing. By pledging $10 per month, you can help us buy more review devices. Our review devices are not sponsored and we purchase it in order to keep our opinion neutral. Remember to support us on Patreon in order for us to continuously produce content for you guys. Thank you for your support. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.